Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today's video is the official entry video for my 70,000 subscriber / holiday giveaway package. Stay tuned because I've got some instructions and some information you'll want to pay attention to. First off, thanks so much to helping me get to 70,000 subscribers. Holy cow. I honestly didn't think we'd get there before the end of the year. I was really surprised. It just exploded. So thank you. Wow. Holy cow. If you were not aware, I have a holiday gift package to give away that is valued at over $700. We have the tactile turn titanium retractable pen. We have the Pioneer X with custom titanium Sagai pattern scales. That's a $400 item in and of itself. We have the titanium carabiner, which I think is super duper cool. We have the titanium bit driver, and I forgot to show this off in the reveal video, but the end of it actually unscrews and you can house a couple of additional 1/4-inch bits in there. So that's going to be super useful. We have the Sagai pattern Urban EDC Supply F5.5 challenge coin, and then of course the leather pouch for you to hold all of this stuff if you want to, or you can use it for whatever you want. But I handpicked these items from Urban EDC Supply. They were kind enough to build a package for me to give away to celebrate the holidays, and it just so happened to kind of sync up with me hitting 70,000 subscribers. So thank you again to Urban EDC Supply for donating this really luxurious package. One person is going to win all of this. So I want to mention also Urban EDC Supply has their own giveaway going on right now. A $1,000 shopping spree will be awarded to one person. How do you enter that one? If you want to, this giveaway is completely and totally free. If you're watching this, you can enter without having to do anything other than subscribe so that you know when things are going on. But if you want to enter theirs, I'll leave a link down in the description. You can go to their website. Any purchase of $100 or more will give you one entry to their shopping spree. So kind of a double giveaway going on right now. But yeah, thank you so much to Urban EDC Supply for offering this up. This is incredible. So you must be at least 18 years of age to enter and win. That's how it has always been. That's how it's always going to be. You also need to be able to provide me with a shipping address inside the continental United States. If you live outside the continental United States, you can still enter and win, but I need to be able to ship to somebody who's within the continental United States first, and then they can work it out how to ship to you. So a friend, a family member, somebody from the knife community you trust, if your name is drawn, right? That's who I have to ship to first, and then they can work it out how to ship to you. When am I going to be drawing the winner? It's actually going to be the day after Christmas, December 26th, which is a Sunday. It will likely be in the evening. More details will follow, so pay attention to my community tab. Like I said, make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you know what's going on, because this is going to be, the idea here is I want people to have weeks of time to enter this thing. That way nobody is excluded. Everybody is able to enter this video, but you're going to want to subscribe, and you're going to want to make sure your notifications are on. So you know what's going on. So be paying attention to my community tab. Also follow me on Instagram, because I will likely post updates there. But the live event where I draw the name live will be Sunday, December 26th in the evening. How do you enter? All you have to do is leave a comment right down below. I always like to hear which video got you to subscribe. I have a lot of content on this channel, 2,200 uploads. It's crazy to think that I have recorded, oh man. 2,200. So yeah, leave a comment down below and let me know what video you watched that got you to subscribe to my channel. I'm always curious to hear. So thanks again to everybody, seriously, for allowing me to do this. This is a dream come true, to just be able to talk knives and talk with the community every day and just have fun. So this is excellent. There will be multiple live streams in between now and the time that we actually do the drawing. I'll be reminding people. I'll probably be reminding people on some uploads here and there. So it's likely that everybody will have a solid opportunity to enter. I think that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. If you are watching this video on the day that it was uploaded, I hope you all have an excellent rest of your Saturday and an excellent rest of your weekend. Bye.